I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a prism flare. Just stay, 'cause the flames will burn us. Hey everyone, Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. I want to teach you how to play this awesome song that was requested. It's Diamond Eyes, okay, and the song is called Everything. So it's a really great song. It's a little bit different than what I usually teach because there's hardly any actual guitar with it. So I'm just kind of teaching you the chords for it and stuff, but it's a lot of fun. So thanks for the request. If you guys have other song requests, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to do my best to teach it for you. So sorry, I'm still a little bit under the weather, getting over a cold, which who gets a cold in the summertime, especially when COVID's around. Anyway, it's a very easy song to play. I'm going to show you a couple different strumming patterns and stuff with it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit subscribe and like so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials and videos. Also, please just hit like if you enjoy the video. I'd really appreciate it. Give me comments if you have any questions or suggestions, or if you'd just like to learn some other songs. So, and thanks so much to everyone who has subscribed and hit like and commented and stuff. I really do appreciate it. All right, let's get into it. Standard tuning, no capo, which is awesome. You guys know I love that. Okay, so we're gonna get into this. So you're gonna do A minor. These are the chords you're gonna need for the whole song. Okay, A minor. Then you're gonna need F major 7. So it's just like a C chord, except that instead of your ring finger and middle finger being where the C go, you move them down 2 strings. Okay, so your ring finger goes on the 3rd fret on the D string. Okay, and then your middle finger goes on the 2nd fret on the G string. Okay, and then you leave this one where the C would go, so on the 1st fret on the B string. Okay, so I usually mute the top string with my thumb, and you'll just strum down from A. Okay, you can just strum down from D too. Either way though. Okay, so you're going to use F major 7 as well. You're also going to use C, so that's a very easy transition because you're just going from F major 7 to C. Okay, and then you're going to use G over B, which that is also an easy transition because you're going to put your pinky, okay, on the 3rd. You can also use your ring finger if you want, but I use my pinky. Put my pinky on the 3rd fret on the little E string, and then you're going to I put my middle finger, okay, up there, so it's like that, on the 2nd fret on the A string. Okay. That's how that sounds. Okay, so those are the chords you need for this song. So here's what we're going to do. You're going to start with palm muting, and then you just start right with the lyrics. Okay, so you're going to do palm mutes, which that means this part of your hand as close to right here as you can. Okay, you're just going to hit the bass notes. So you're going to go. So I'm plucking the A and D. Okay, like that. So you're going to do A minor. Let's do this so you can see my hand a little bit better too. So you're going to do A minor. Okay, sorry, A minor. I'm on my own. Okay, so that's where you do start with A. I'm on my own. Okay, then you go to F major 7. Broken up. So F major 7 is on broke. I'm on my own. Broken. So right before broke. Broken alone. Then C. I feel the rain. Let's see, C is C. I feel the rain. Okay, so on rain is where you do G over B. Rain crashing down. Then you go to A minor again. So you just repeat that. Okay, so you're going to A minor again. All around. Okay, F major 7. This empty town. I'm searching the lost. So I'm searching is C. I'm searching the lost. The lost is G over B. The lost and found. But you don't care. Okay, so you do A minor and but you don't care. So then you do F major 7 before you're unaware. You're unaware. Okay, then C. Keep moving C. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. Okay, so keep moving is C. Keep moving like the scars. Scars is G over B. Scars aren't even there. So at the end of there, you're gonna do A minor. Sorry, A minor. It's in the air. Okay, then after air is where you do F major 7. Like a prism flare. Okay, then you go to C. Just stay, 'cause the flames will kill. Just stay, 'cause the flames. Okay, flames is G over B. The flames will kill us. And then you're gonna do an open strum. Okay, so then you're gonna go to just the same strumming pattern, but you're gonna do I thought you. sorry, not strumming pattern, same chord progression. Sorry about that. I thought you were the one. Let's see. I thought you were the one. So you just do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so that's the strumming pattern. So it's down, down, up, down, up, down, up, change, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, change, down, down, up, down, up, change, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you're just doing that. You're just doing that down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay. I thought you, listen down. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you my everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. So you're just doing that same strumming pattern, or sorry, same chord progression throughout the song, okay? Now if you want, though, for this first chorus, you can just do single strums because it's still kind of like softer. The song doesn't really get like into it until later. So you could just do the palm muting during the verses, okay, like I was doing, like that. So that's how you do it for the verses. Like that, okay? So that's the strumming pattern for the verses. And for the chorus, now for the chorus and kind of like the post-chorus, you can just do, I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas, oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for, let's see, cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was all around, and keep you warm by the roaring sea. Oh, you meant the world to me. Okay, so that's what you'll do. So then after the chorus, though, whether you do the single strums or whether you do it the way I was showing you, okay? After that, there's a part where it's just a lot of digital stuff. What you can do for that, because there's no real guitar for that, what you can do for that, though, is you're going to do the same chord progression, but you're going to go, so you're going to go down, down, up. So down, down, up, down, down, up, mute, down, down, up, mute, down, mute, down, down, up, mute, down, down, up, mute, down, down, up, mute, down, down, up, mute. So you could do that, and then he sings, oh, you meant the world to me. Okay, so you could go down, down, up, mute, down, down, up, mute, down, down, up, mute. Well, you, and then on G over B you go, oh, you meant the world to me. Down, down, up, mute, down, down, up, mute, down, down, up, mute, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, mute. Okay, so that's where you do it. So I'll just walk you through that once with singing, and I'll just play. So it's, I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was all around. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. Oh, you meant the world to me. You meant the world to me. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. Do you see how you would do that? So that's how you're going to go into the next one. So you would just do, right as you're doing, as at the end of the C. Let's see, so down, down. You're going to go, you meant the world to me. You meant the world to me. Okay, and you're going to do that 3 times, and then you're going to just start palm muting and go right into the next verse, okay? So I think that's actually the entire song. There is a part that's called kind of like the drop, where you're just going to do C. Well, you meant the world to me. Okay, and there you're just going to do C and G over B for that part. And yeah, I mean that's the entire song. It's the same chord progression over and over and over. You're just going to use those same chords and those same strumming patterns I showed you. So I hope that's helpful. Let me know if you have any questions or comments or anything. If you have a song request, I'm more than happy to try and oblige the best I can. So thanks guys, it's been fun, and I'll see you next time.